All right, good morning, everybody. All right, it is famous my favorite day to trade on Thursday, but very quiet this morning. Nothing going on right now. No indices on. Been watching the mini Russell this morning. Maybe a possible trade coming up. Watching the E-mini S&P as well. Nothing there yet. Small Dow's up 13. Mini Russell's up a little bit, up 3, and the E-mini S&P mini Nasdaq are down a little bit. So once again, these they started fairly slow. Things pick up as we get closer to the opening. So I'm sure that trend's going to continue. So we'll just have to be patient here and wait for something to develop. Not trading any of the metals this week. It looks like gold's starting to heat up again, so we're going to be bringing gold back in next week. Possible short on the gold right now, but I'm not touching gold yet. But I do see a possible short here on gold for those that are kind of watching it. But we're just going to hang tight here and wait for one of these indices to set me up with a trade. So watching. Two things I'm watching the closest is going to be the mini Russell, and I'm going to be watching the E-mini S&P at this point. Morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? Very, very quiet this morning. So we had a few reports come out this morning. Watching the jobless claims, they were looks like they were up a little bit. Not a big change. Also, durable goods came out. Not a big change there. All right. My guess is we're probably still going to get Maybe some pressure on this market. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Short term, I really wouldn't be surprised to see the mini Russell run up a little bit here. All right, so here's what I'm going to do here. We are starting to form a nice little pattern up here. Okay, I'm going to go super, super light on this mini Russell. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy the mini Russell. And this is going to be... an HF3 buy on the mini Russell. Once again, taking it really light on this one. Only because I'm kind of mixed on the indices right now. Small downs down a little bit. Target on this, bring it up to 1669. Once again, I'm going real heavy on this. I do have a trade on for the mini Russell. And we'll see if we can't get up to the 69. Alright, gonna be watching the E-mini S&P. Okay, I'm watching on the E-mini S&P. I'm watching the 42.16 level. Let me take a buy up there at 42.16. Once again, that is a potential. Wait till we get up there. I'll take a look and see whether I like the buying that's coming in. I want to look and see what the other indices are doing. I want to see what the Dow's doing if we get triggered after the opening. So right now, Only thing that I have on, very light, mini Russell. Looking for a target up here, 69. Raining up there. Glenn in North Dakota. Here in Fargo. Are you not getting some snow up there? I understand. Isn't there a big snowstorm coming through your area? Or going to come through your area? All right, folks, we're just being patient here. We still have, what do we have here? About another 18 minutes to go. A long time before the opening bell. So we're just going to be patient. I don't see any more economic reports coming out today. Very quiet. Again, the only thing I have on right now is I am long, very light position on the mini Russell. If we get up to that 69.70 area, I'll go ahead and take my little profit. At 40 degrees, oh yeah. Yeah, it won't You won't be getting snow at 40 degrees. Texas, we're just kind of rainy 80s, I guess. 70s, 80s today. Good day to trade. Nothing going on outside, so always a nice way to start your day, right? Do a little bit of trading. Hopefully make a little bit of money. All of these, whether you're trading stocks, you're trading indices, metals, always the best in the morning. First 2 or 3 hours is kind of that golden time frame. It's where you see a lot of volatility. You want to get in, take advantage of some of that volatility, get in and get out. So we'll pick up here as we get closer to the opening bell. We still have another 13 minutes to go. Once again, it's pretty simple. I just have a few patterns I'm looking at. This was an HF3 entry on the mini Russell. 4 patterns that I watched for. Nothing too complicated. Though they took me years to discover them. And when I went into it, when I was looking for patterns, I had to make sure that they were good across the board. These are not your typical chart patterns. We're not looking at pennants and triangles and all that. We're looking at combination of price bars and looking at some volume. I have several that work in all the different markets, so it doesn't matter whether I'm trading a stock or I'm trading a future contract or an index. Of course, I am using the same patterns. All right, once again, just really quiet here. We have about another
Recording in progress.
about another 11 minutes to go here before the opening bell. We'll wrap up this first 30 minutes of the live broadcast so I can jump to our Discord channel. Continue to trade with our subscribers. Right now, the only thing I have on is I am long a mini Russell here. That's where the yellow line is. It's the HF3 buy. Target's going to be up here at 69. Didn't want to go too heavy in here this morning on this trade, but we have it on. We'll see if we can hit our target. May do it before the opening bell. More than likely, probably not. Maybe we'll get it right after the opening bell. Possible E-mini S&P, possible buy up here at 42.16. So we'll wait and see. If we get up to 42.16, I may go ahead and take a buy on that E-mini S&P. All right, so I have about another 3 minutes to go here, and then we'll move over to our Discord channel. Right now, the only thing I have going on is I have an HF3 buy on this mini Russell. Once again, didn't want to go too heavy, going very light here. Do have a 69 target. watching the E-mini S&P, see if we can get up to maybe this 42.16 level. All right, folks, we're getting down to about 2 minutes out before the opening bell. So we're going to go ahead and get moved over here to Discord. So before we wrap it up, just to let you know, I'm still along the mini Russell over here. May not hit 69 here before the opening bell. We still got 2-3 minutes here. Gonna watch the E-mini S&P, see if that doesn't creep up. Possible buy on that. And that's going to wrap it up. So if you have any questions, you can reach me via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Make sure you check out all my videos on my YouTube channel. A lot of good videos there. I go into more depth on my approach to trading and the tools that I've developed over the last 40 years. And that's going to do it. So everybody have a great day. And hopefully we'll see everybody first thing tomorrow morning. Y'all take care. Thanks, Glenn. Appreciate it.